In this class, you're going to learn how to make pães de deus, or pão de deus if you're talking about just one bun. This beautiful bread, which translates to bread of God or God's bread, is a brioche style or an enriched, sweet, rich, yummy bread dough topped with a coconut cream custardy topping. It is a pastry that you'll find all over Portugal in the pastry shops, and it's well beloved. Some people love to make a savory sandwich out of it, usually with ham and cheese. You get that whole sweet, salty vibe. I just like to devour them as they are. I just can't get enough of them. In the recipe, you'll notice I give you lots of options, a small batch recipe which makes 6 generous sized buns or 12. You can bake them individually, or you can bake them in a rectangular or square pan so they're all touching and they become sort of a pull apart dinner roll situation. I've also given you my favorite way to make the topping, which is a bit complex, a bit chefy, but not too hard. You start off with doce de ovos, the quintessential Portuguese egg yolk cream, and then fold in all that beautiful coconut and some butter. I also give you an easier version of that, which is just to stir together the coconut with butter and eggs and sugar, and you're ready to go. So please enjoy this classic Portuguese recipe. Some people call them arrofadas. Some say the bun itself originated from the central Portugal around Coimbra, or if not Coimbra itself. But wherever it came from, I'm super thankful for it, and I hope you have a wonderful time baking them in your kitchen.